Good day viewers and welcome to the STARCADE channel. Today we'll be learning on how to bring an object into the scene using GDevelop 5. Okay, first we click here on to add an object. Here you see sprite, style sprite, text, but we won't be needing all of this, we'll just be using sprites for now. Here you click on to add an animation. Then you click here again. Here you have your different sprites, but we will be using all of these sprites, we'll just be using bridge for now. Then click here on open. We'll be using the behaviors. So you click here on behavior of an object and click here on platform. This would enable players not to pass through. So you click here on apply and we've seen our new object here. So let's take it and see. And then oh, it actually works. So thank you for watching this video and please do subscribe to the STARCADE channel. Thank you.